Okay, this is it, all taken back, all dulled off, all the little bits and pieces all taken care of. As you can see, there's no orange peel left, it's all been prepared. So what we've done is, it was 1000 grit, and then we used our grey Scotch-Brite over the top, and it just takes out any prep marks. Now, majority of the time when you're dealing with something like this, it's not necessarily even just the dulling off. Most of the time it's taking care of watermarks, it's taking care of things, there you go, look like this. Little bits that come off of your paper, if you're using paper to degrease the panel. Something that settle in there, you can't afford anything like that, because obviously it shines through your clear coat. So it's ready now. We're just going to go ahead and give it a coat of clear coat right over the top, just to make sure that this thing is going to shine like a new penny, and that's what we want. So there you go, all dulled off. It's quite daunting when you see it at first and you think all that hard work and now you're dulling it back off again, but watch what happens. It is well worth it. It's one of those things, you need nerves of steel, but it pays off in the end. So here we go, one final coat of clear coat.